Most of the eye improvement videos on YouTube are full of fake promises. They tell you, do this one magic exercise and you'll get hunter eyes like a Hollywood star. The truth is that none of that will actually make your eyes more attractive. And today, I'm going to prove it to you. I'll show you exactly what really matters, what doesn't, and how you can improve your eyes and the whole area around them so your face instantly looks better. If you still think I'm wrong after watching the video till the end, you can go back to those fake videos and keep wasting your time. But if you want real, visible results that actually work in real life, listen carefully. 1. Body fat and face definition. Your body fat percentage plays a huge role in how your eyes look. When you have extra fat on your face, your features lose sharpness, your jawline gets softer, and your eyes appear smaller or puffier. But when you reduce body fat to a healthy range, your facial structure sharpens, cheekbones pop out more, and your eyes naturally stand out. Here, no eye exercise needed. A balanced diet, strength training, and staying active will do more for your eyes than any gimmick. 2. Dark circles and tired eyes. It doesn't matter what eye shape you have if the skin around your eyes looks tired or swollen, your eyes instantly lose impact. Dark circles and puffiness are the biggest killers of eye attractiveness. To fix them, sleep 7-8 hours, drink enough water, and avoid too much late-night screen time. A cold compress in the morning can quickly reduce puffiness, while a light moisturizer or eye cream at night keeps the skin healthy. Eating foods rich in vitamin C and iron also helps over time. 3. Eyebrows, the frame of the eyes. Think of your eyebrows as the frame to a beautiful painting. Your eyes. A strong, well-shaped frame can instantly make your eyes look bigger, sharper, and more expressive. Thick, dense eyebrows naturally add definition and give your face a youthful, powerful look. If your brows are thin or patchy, you can make them fuller using methods like applying castor oil daily, using aloe vera gel, or even dermatologist-recommended treatments like minoxidil. Use it in very small, careful amounts. Once you've got the density, shape them. Right, keep the start of your brow aligned with the side of your nose, the highest arch just above the outer edge of your iris, and the tail angled toward the outer corner of your eye. Trim any overly long hairs, pluck stray ones, and lightly fill in gaps with a brow pencil or powder for a clean, balanced, and attractive look. 4. Eye shape versus eye alignment. People obsess over having almond or hunter eyes, but shape alone doesn't make someone attractive. What really matters is the alignment, spacing, and tilt of your eyes. Ideally, the space between your eyes should be about the width of one eye, and a slight upward outer tilt often looks youthful and alert. Even if you don't have that, grooming your brows, using flattering hairstyles, and wearing the right glasses can create the illusion of better alignment. 5. Brow bone height. One underrated feature that makes eyes look powerful is the distance between your eyebrows and your eyes. The less this distance is, the more deep-set and intense your eyes appear. High brow bones can sometimes give a more open look, but a closer brow-eye distance generally makes the gaze stronger and more model-like. While you can't change your bone structure, you can make the brows look lower and more defined through shaping and grooming, which subtly enhances this effect. 6. Squinting for a stronger gaze. Many celebrities and models use a very subtle squint, not a full squeeze, just enough to slightly narrow the eyes and add tension in the lower eyelids. This creates a focused, confident, and almost mysterious look. Think about how actors like Brad Pitt, Henry Cavill, or even Damon Salvatore look when they're being intense. Their eyes aren't wide open, they're slightly squinting. Practice this in front of a mirror. Relax your upper eyelids, lift your lower eyelids just a little, and keep the rest of your face calm. It instantly adds depth to your gaze. 7. Hairstyle and face framing. Your haircut plays a bigger role in eye attractiveness than most people realize. A hairstyle that frames your face well can naturally direct attention towards your eyes. Bad haircuts, on the other hand, can make your features less noticeable. Keep your hair neat, clean, and styled in a way that suits your face shape without covering your eyes. Well-fitted, clean clothes also boost your overall presence, making your eyes more appealing indirectly. 8. Skin and overall grooming. Healthy skin makes every facial feature, including your eyes, look better. A simple skincare routine of cleansing, moisturizing, and using sunscreen every day will keep your skin fresh. Groom your facial hair to match your features. A sharp beard, stubble, or a clean shave can change the balance of your face and make your eyes pop. 9. Expression and personality. Even if you have great eyes physically, how you use them matters more. Confidence, presence, and the way you look at people can make average eyes look magnetic. It's the expressions, timing, and body language. Maintain steady, calm eye contact. Keep your chin slightly down, and add a small, confident smile. Use micro-expressions like eyebrow raises or smirks to create connection. 10. Conclusion. Improving your eyes isn't about chasing a perfect shape. It's about making the whole area look its best. Lower your body fat for sharper features. Fix dark circles for a fresher look. Shape your brows to frame your eyes. Understand that alignment matters more than shape. Enhance the brow-eye distance visually. Use the subtle squint for intensity. Choose the right hairstyle. Take care of your skin. And carry yourself with confidence. When you combine all of this, your eyes will naturally become one of your most attractive features. No gimmicks, no lies, just real results.